Hi everyone, welcome back to Passionate About Tech. I'm thrilled to bring you another super useful computer science tutorial today. In this video, we're tackling how to uninstall a program on Windows 11. Whether you're cleaning up your PC or just done with an app, say WhatsApp, which we'll use as our example, show you the easiest way to get it done, step by step. This is perfect for beginners or anyone who wants a clutter-free system, so let's dive in and make tech simple together. Stick with me. Alright, let's get started. First, click the Start button, that Windows icon on your taskbar, and select Settings. Easy enough, right? Next, in Settings, go to Apps, then click Installed Apps. You'll see a list of everything on your PC. Scroll down until you find WhatsApp or whatever app you're ditching. After that, click the three dots next to WhatsApp and hit Uninstall. A prompt might pop up, just confirm it, and Windows does the rest. Be careful though, if it's not in the list, it might be a stubborn app needing manual removal, but WhatsApp usually uninstalls smoothly. Finally, check your desktop or start menu, it's gone. WhatsApp's out of here, and your PC's lighter. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more awesome tech tutorials. Your support really encourages me to keep making videos like this, so hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'd love to see you back. Drop a comment if you've uninstalled WhatsApp. Towheed, you do it. See you in the next video.